Hey guys, it's yo girl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick little tutorial on how to curl your hair or how I curl my hair. So let's get started. I just grabbed my argan oil of Morocco and I got this little guy at Target, and I just grabbed a little bit, about maybe a dime size, I think that's what it's called. And I just put it all over my hair, mainly on the ends, not too much up here because I don't want it to be heavy up here. I want to be able to tease it and I want to be able to give my hair volume. And then I'm also going to be using my heat protection creme. I'm just going to put it into my hair now. That way when I'm doing my makeup, it has some time to set. And so that's pretty much about all that I'm going to grab for now. I always end up grabbing more, but just warm that in with your hands. I'm just going to be taking my brush. It's nothing fancy. Okay, so now that my hair is all brushed out, I'm just going to pull it back. It hurts. I lied. It wasn't all brushed out. And now, just to top it off, just because I want my hair to be healthy and not be too damaged after this, I'm going to put some Main Magic, the one that I thought was for my face, 10-in-1 primer. And so I'm just going to spritz that. It smells so good. Special shout out to La Rosa de Guadalupe, you know, my homies over at Televisa, for making me feel like a telenovela star every time I blow dry my hair. Okay, well, my camera's dying, so I'll try and hurry. So just start by sectioning off your hair. I usually just section it into 2 sections, so I'll start here. I'm at 6%, so it's either gonna die or overheat. Now I'm using my bedhead curling iron, and so it's got like, I don't know, multi-level curling, I guess. I got this a while ago and I got it from Target for like 20-30 bucks. Then I just start unwinding the hair like this. Look at that cute curl. So right when I get it out of the curling rod, I like pull on it. That way it stretches out a little bit. And see how cute that is already? I'm just gonna keep doing this all over my head. And now it's getting a little hotter, so I don't have to leave it on my hair on there for as long. That's why I love this thing, because it doesn't take me that long to do my hair. I do this in like 30 minutes. Really. And look how cute. Look how cute that curl is. I forgot to put hairspray on them. Alright. It's already at 21%, so I've got to hurry. This is what gets you those big voluminous curls. And the other day I was looking for a video on how to do this, but there were none. Like, none were the way that I wanted it to be and wanted it to look. I wanted to look like así bien. So I'm just going to straighten a little bit right here. See? And that doesn't hurt my curl. I can just come in here and pull on it a little bit, but still straighten it a little bit. There. Look at the difference on how I started that curl to what it looks like now. And if I want more volume, just tease it a little bit more. I just have to undo this part right here because this one's being stubborn. But see, it keeps wanting to curl back. There. That's better. I'll just try hairspraying it this way. That helped. Okay. Next, this one, already a super cute curl. I love curling my hair, you guys. It just tangles it up, so it's definitely not in like an everyday kind of thing. But this is where I start teasing. Every time that you're teasing your hair, you're going against the side that you're going to lay it down over. So for example, I'm going to lay it this way, so obviously I'm going to want to tease it this way. So just set that up for a little bit and curl this curl right here. Yes, get it all curly and cute. Hairspray it. Oh my god, my ear. Dry it up a little bit and push it back. Now, we're going to push this one back over here, and we're just going to, actually no, let's apply some hairspray first. Okay, now I'm going to put that down. Look at that, how cute. This is how I'm going to go. But once you finish is when, ow, I burnt my finger, when it looks cute. La belleza duele, mijita, ni modo. Right, straighten out this little churro. I hate when my hair's in churran because I don't want churros, I want cute waves. Alright, I feel like I overdid that one. Every time that I feel like I overdo it, I just imagine the girl that like was using a wand to curl her hair, and then she like removes the wand and her hair comes off with the wand. Yeah, worst nightmare right freaking there. See, I want it like this. So I'm just gonna, oh, almost spray the wrong fucking thing. Oh my god, see, I just want it to lay like this. I always burn myself with this hair curler too. Look how cute. Fucking adorable. Now hopefully I don't mess it up too much with my teasing. So I just pull it over and then start teasing. Now add some hairspray, some Aquanet. Dude, when that was my shit. Aquanet was where it's at. Anytime I see Aquanet at Family Dollar, I'm so compelled to buy it just because I know that that's just the bomb. I'm gonna tease this a little more because it's not really giving me the volume that I want yet. So just tease a little bit lower. I'm really gonna hate myself in the shower later or when I wash my hair. So I'm just gonna pull that back. I love me las greñas. These are already so cute. I'm in love. I can push those back actually. I'm just gonna picture. Oh, my daddy and me on my graduation. I just have pictures randomly lying around there. Thanks, Dad. You know I could always count on you. That looks ridiculous now, I know, but it won't later. Or maybe it will, who knows. And so for these little strands, you don't really need to even hold your hair that long. It's freaking hot. I've gotten a 3rd-degree burn from this thing before. Like, it's right there. It's a scar. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. It's right there. It's horrible. It was horrible. It was green. It was orange. It was yellow. It was all the colors of the rainbow. Indeed it was. Indeed it was. So remember to straighten out your hair as you're curling, porque si no se te enchurra. And I hate when I forget because se me enchurra. You guys take a moment to appreciate this makeup though. If you guys want to know how to do this makeup, well guess what? Your girl's got you. I did a makeup tutorial. Oh well, I'll tag the link below. Or just go on my channel. I have like 3 videos. Mi copete. Ooh, look at that little Superman copete right there. My camera's at 14%. I think we might just finish, you guys. Fry hairspray. I hate when it feels too wet. I feel like I put way too much, but whatever. Este look va a ser para su prom, chicas, así que mándenme las fotos por mi Instagram, por mi correo electrónico. Con mucho gusto las acepto, muchachas. Mándenme sus fotos de su quinceañera. I wish I would have known how to do my makeup and my hair in my quinceañera, because I'm not saying it didn't look cute. I don't even remember who did my hair. To be honest, who did my hair? Oh my god, I don't even remember getting my hair done. I remember getting my makeup done because we straight up just went into Sephora. El muchacho me maquilló and it was a free makeup session. But it ended up looking pretty cute, so whatevs, you know? Can't really complain there. Oh, my leg. Look. Look how much shorter I just got. Yes, get that highlight. Now, just move this, push it up a little bit more. Get those cute curls. Whoops. Push it back. This is, look, see, this is why I curl the shit out of it, because it goes flat. Look how flat that is already compared to how I started. It was like this, and now look at it, it's like that. So that's why I have to tease the shit out of everything. Which reminds me, let's just tease the shit out of this a little bit more, because clearly my hair wants to be a pain in the ass. Now just look at that cute curl. Yep, I love it. And I love breaking it up like this because it just looks so cute. Okay, look at that. Tell me this isn't what life is about right now. I said right now, not in general. So just look at the difference though. Okay, you guys, yes, this is what I look for, is this volume. Right here. I just wish I had more of it, to be honest, right here. But, mira que greñero. Now onto the other one, and I've got 8%, so I better hurry and stop talking. Okay, I'll just see you guys when I'm done with the other side. That way my camera doesn't completely die and I can still record the rest. Okay, bye. Okay, so basically I'm looking super voluminous right now because I've been teasing everything on the top. After that first layer that I did at the bottom, I start teasing everything. So that's why it looks like I have a lot more volume to my hair. Like, look at that right there. Instead of it falling flat like it was, now it's a lot more volume. So I'm gonna use these last couple strands to really add the volume. So look at the difference in those curls. It's crazy. I really wish I had these makeup techniques in high school because I was a little... I mean, looking back now, I was cute. I was still cute. But looking back now, I just feel like there was so much I could tell myself. Like, hey girl, your eyeliner's not really popping, so just don't do it. I used to do it pretty bad. That's how you learn though. The progress. Then you got those bomb-ass glow-up pictures. Look at the difference in that curl then from how I started to how I left it. And don't forget to apply the hairspray. Now I'm going to leave it flipped over just like I did on that side, just so it gets a little bit more volume. If you stretch it out like this and then start curling it or teasing it up, It really gives you that like nice open curl look. And it gives you more volume, honestly. And I can pull this guy down. It's always the back. Do you guys see that? I feel like the Queen of Hearts when she has that, like, those two freaking lumps right there. It's hilarious, and that always happens to me, but I'm gonna try and fix it. So I love how voluminous this is. This is crazy. I've never actually done my hair this voluminous or this much teasing, but I really wanted to try it today because I really wanted big voluminous hair. Yeah, the back is just not wanting to cooperate and it's very flat, so I'm just gonna start curling or start teasing a little bit more back here. It's already like super teased though, so I don't know what more my hair could want. This is gonna be horrible. I feel like I literally have dreads right now. This is gonna be horrible to pull out of the shower. But again, if you're going glam, you know it's worth it. This is what they look like. They look super cute. Maybe just a couple here and there, straighten out a little bit more, but cuteness all around. And then, yep, that's pretty much it, you guys. If you want, you can leave your bangs out like that, but I like to kind of blend them in, and this little guy I like to kind of leave out. So that's what we look like today. Don't forget to subscribe because there's going to be so much more coming soon. Look at these curls. Let me turn around.